I'll be trying this remedy for a week and I'll show you every other day. Leave this treatment in for 15 to 20 minutes. If you are worried about the smell, don't worry, I have a solution. You can squeeze half a lemon and add 10 to 15 drops of lavender. As you can see, my hair is really bad. It looks very frizzy. It's lacking lots of moisture. So I needed an easy and quick way to restore my hair. Right off the bat, I noticed a huge difference. Some of the benefits you're providing your hair with are vitamin A and E, also minerals. This is also nourishing the scalp, encouraging new hair to grow, less breakage, less shedding, thicker and healthier looking hair. This is my natural looking hair. I haven't added any heat to it. There's no product in my hair. The yolk is loaded with healthy fats, which helps replenish moisture. After trying this home remedy, I did notice a big difference. I noticed that my hair just looked less frizzy. It felt stronger. It felt softer. It was just looking a lot healthier than before.